Welcome to Adverbs of Manner. In English, adverbs of manner describe how an action is done. They give extra information about verbs and help us answer the question, how something happens. Today, we will learn how to form these useful adverbs by adding -ly to adjectives. Adverbs of manner tell us the way or manner in which something happens. They usually describe how people do things. For example, if someone sings beautifully, the word beautifully describes the way the singing happens. These adverbs often come after the verb in a sentence. Most adverbs of manner are formed by taking an adjective and adding the letters ly at the end. For example, quick becomes quickly, and careful becomes carefully. Just add ly to the adjective to describe how something is done. Let us look at some examples. The adjective quick turns into the adverb quickly. We can say, she runs quickly. Soft becomes softly, as in, he speaks softly. Careful becomes carefully, so we say they work carefully. Clear changes to clearly, as in, I see it clearly. Using the basic rule, just add ly to turn an adjective into an adverb. When an adjective ends in the letter y, change the y to the letter I, then add ly. For example, happy becomes happily. Easy becomes easily. Angry becomes angrily. So, the steps are change y to I and add ly to form the adverb. If the adjective ends with le, replace the le with ly. For example, simple becomes simply. Gentle becomes gently. Terrible turns into terribly. Take off the le at the end and put ly to form the adverb. For adjectives ending with ic, add a ly instead of just ly. For example, basic becomes basically. Dramatic becomes dramatically. Automatic turns into automatically. Always add a ly to words ending in ic to make the adverb. Keep practicing how to turn adjectives into adverbs of manner. For most adjectives, you just add ly. However, pay special attention to words ending in the letters y, le, or ic because the rules are a little different. With practice, you will use adverbs of manner easily in your sentences and speak more clearly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.